It was a sunny afternoon in our backyard in Ohio. White tents dotted the grass, and a giant cake with celebrating success in blue icing sat on a plastic table. I wore a blue dress, thinking this was a joint celebration for me and my sister, Emily. She was dressed in white, glowing like the star of the show. My dad took the mic, beaming, and announced, "We're here to honor Emily's achievements." The applause was loud, and I clapped along, trying to ignore the knot in my stomach. Then my dad pulled out another sheet of paper. "There are some lessons we all need to learn as a family," he said. That's when I realized, this wasn't about celebrating me at all. If you've ever felt the weight of 100 eyes silently judging you, you'll understand what came next. He started listing my so-called mistakes. My stubbornness. My bad decisions. How I'd quit my job and ended my engagement. Each sentence felt like a spotlight, and I could feel the crowd's attention shift from the stage to me. My mom sat in the front row, a polite smile frozen on her face. Emily looked down, but I caught the hint of a smirk. My name was repeated over and over, each time as a warning of what not to do. I sat there, hands folded, phone clenched tight in my lap. I remembered my mom's words from the week before. "Be ready on Sunday. It'll be special." I guess it was, just not in the way I'd hoped. After another round of applause for Emily, my dad wrapped up with, "We hope Sarah can learn from her sister." The room was silent, but I could feel the judgment in the air, masked as sympathy, but sharp all the same. That's when I stood up. My legs didn't shake. I didn't grab the mic. I just said, "If we're sharing stories, let's share the whole truth." I unlocked my phone and played a recording I'd saved for weeks. My mom's voice came through clear as day. "Don't worry, Emily. We'll make sure Sarah looks unstable. That way, your promotion is the focus." Then my dad chimed in, talking about making me look irresponsible. Emily's voice too, hoping I'd quit my job so people would say I couldn't commit. The backyard went dead quiet. My aunt pushed her chair back. The pastor looked away. Emily's face turned pale. My mom tried to protest, but I finally took the mic. That's the context. This wasn't about celebrating. It was about making me the example. My dad accused me of humiliating the family. I just said, "I'm only playing your words." Then, for the first time, I told everyone the truth. I lost my job because the company closed. I ended my engagement because he cheated. I never tried to hurt anyone's reputation. No one clapped. No one spoke. My mom grabbed Emily's hand, and real tears filled Emily's eyes. Suddenly, her promotion didn't matter. My aunt turned to my mom and said, "We weren't told the truth." The pastor wouldn't shake my dad's hand. Two cousins slipped out quietly. Emily's future mother-in-law left without a word. I put the mic down and walked out. I got in my car, hands steady on the wheel, and looked back at the house. The tents were still up, but the celebration was over. People stood in small groups, whispering. No one was laughing. After that day, everything changed. My dad called, but I didn't answer. My mom sent a message to the family group chat, calling it a misunderstanding. No one replied. Emily's engagement ended 2 weeks later. Her fiancé's mom wanted nothing to do with a family that hid the truth. At church, people still greeted my dad, but the respect was gone. I didn't do any of this for revenge. I just let their own words speak. Now I live in a small apartment in Columbus. It's quiet, and my circle is smaller, but it's honest. Sometimes I wonder what would have happened if I'd stayed silent. Maybe things would look normal. But that normal meant always being the scapegoat, never being heard. All it took was one sentence and one recording. 5 relationships ended that day, maybe more. But now, when I walk into a room, I know there's no secret list waiting to be read about me. If this story resonates with you, or if you've ever found strength in speaking your truth, please like and subscribe. Your support helps these stories reach others who need them. Thanks for listening, and for being part of this journey.